Jojo bought a second-hand Betamax VCR and sold it to Rudy at a profit of 40%. Rudy then sold the VCR to Noel at a profit of 20%. If Noel paid 2,856 more than it cost to Jojo, how much did Jojo pay for the union? Okay, so pag ganyan na mahahaba, ano kailangan yung gawin? Huwag nyong biglain. Statement by statement ka gumawa ng sentence. Statement by statement ka gumawa ng mathematical equation. Okay? First step, mag-let tayo ng variable. Let natin na si J, yan yung presyo ng pagkabili niya. Jojo. Si Rudy, R. Yan yung presyo niya. Rudy's price. At saka si Noel. Okay? Let natin yan. Okay, so unang sentence tayo, unang equation. Jojo bought a second-hand Betamax VCR and then sold it to Rudy at a profit of 40%. So, paano natin yung gagawing equation? Yung presyo daw ng pagbili ni Rudy. So, ito na. First step, mag-let tayo nga. Yung presyo daw ng binili ni Rudy kay Jojo yung Betamax is may kitang 40% si Jojo. So, that will be 1 plus 40%. Tama? Ang kay Jojo. Bakit nag-plus tayo? Kasi yung 40% na yan yung original price na bili ni Jojo. Okay? Next sentence. Rudy then sold the VCR to Noel at a profit of 20%. Si Noel naman daw, binili niya kay Rudy yung Betamax nang kumita naman si Rudy ng 20%. So, 1 plus 20% yung kay Rudy. Ngayon, nabanggit rin, third sentence, si Noel, nabili niya yon ng 2,856 more than kay Jojo. So, si Noel daw, binili niya yon Betamax ng mas malaki ng 2,856 sa original price ng pagkabili ni Jojo. Okay? Makita, more than, so unang nabanggit yung kay Jojo. Kaya inuna natin yung kay Jojo. Okay, ano yung hinahanap? Ang required is magkano binili ni Jojo yung unit. Okay, pag-ayusin natin yung sentence natin, kung papansinin mo, tatlong equations tapos tatlong unknown. So, ano yung pwede natin gamitin? Next step, pwede kang mag-mode 5, 2. Tama? 3 equations and 3 unknowns. Okay? So, ano ba yung mga equation mo? R is equal to 1.4J. Ayusin mo lang yan na dapat lahat ng may variable nasa kabila. So, R minus 1.4J is equal to 0. Okay, ganun rin yung kay N is equal to 1.2R. Ayusin mo lang. So, 1.2R minus N is equal to 0. And yung last na equation, N is equal to J plus 2,856. Okay? Inayos mo yan, that will be J minus N is equal to negative 2,856. Okay, then proceed ka na sa mode 5.2. So, mode 5.2. Okay, 3 equations, 3 unknown. Balik tayo. Shift mode 1 ka muna. Kasi naka-scientific ka pa. Shift mode. Hindi. Ano natin? I-clear natin. Shift 9, clear, setup. Okay. Then mode 5.2. So, 3 equations, 3 unknown yun. So, unahin natin. Yung R natin si A, B is J, C is N. Okay. 1, negative 1.4, then 0, 0 na yan. 0, 0. Okay, then next, 1.2. 0 si J, negative 1 si N, 0. Then, 0, J is 1, negative 1, tapos negative 2856 equals, then press equals. So, ang presyo nung kay R is 5,880 niya nabili. Okay, then next naman si J, 4,200. Tapos si N, 7,056. So, magkano yung hinahanap, yung original price na pagkabili ni Jojo? That is 4,200. Yan. So, that will be your final answer. Okay, pang-screenshot. Okay, so next item tayo, number 42. Merchant has 3 items on sale, namely a radio for 50 pesos, a clock for 30 pesos, and a flashlight for 1. At the end of the day, he has sold a total of 100 of the 3 items and has taken exactly 1,000 on the total sales. How many radios did he sell? Okay, first step, gawa tayo ng mga variable. Let R the number of radios, C the number of clocks, F the number of flashlights. Okay? And after that, gawa tayo ng mga equations. Gawa tayo ng equations natin. Sabi niya daw, nakapagbenta siya ng total na 100 items. So, kung yung RCF, that is your total items, so R plus C plus F now is equal to 100. Okay, that is your first equation. Then, ano pa yung pwede natin gawing equation? 1,000 daw yung total na nabenta niya. 1,000 pesos. Okay, so kung ang presyo ng radio is 50, okay, yung sa clock is 30, 30 times the number of items, plus yung flashlight na tagpipiso, hindi ko nilagay yung piso. Ang total nakita niya daw is 1,000. Or yung total na napagbentahan, 1,000 pesos. Okay, mayroon pa ba tayong magagawang equation? Wala na. Wala nang given. Pero, tatlo yung variable natin. Tatlo yung unknown, pero dalawa lang equation. So, dapat, pag tatlo yung variable mo or tatlo yung nawawala, dapat tatlo rin yung magagawang equation. Pero dito, wala na tayong mahanap or magawa pang isa pang equation. So, ang tawag natin dyan, pag kulang ng equation na mabubuo, that's what we call the Diophantine equation. Okay? Diophantine equation. Itong Diophantine equation, hindi mo siya masusolve in a normal way. Okay, anong gagawin natin dito? We will use the choices. Okay? Use choices para mahanap yung tamang sagot. Okay? Ano ba yung hinahanap? Sa tanong, kung gaano karaming ratio yung nabenta niyo. Okay, so ibig sabihin, yung nasa choices natin is mga R. Okay, so anong gagawin natin sa choices? We will use or we will substitute yung A, B, at C doon sa ating choices. Okay? So, punta tayo kay A. At R is equal to 16. Substitute mo doon sa dalawang equation na nagawa mo. Ano yung mangyayari? 10 plus C plus F is equal to 100. Tapos, 50 times 16 plus 30 times C plus F is equal to 1,000. Okay, then pwede ka nang mag-mode 5-1. Tama? Mode 5-1 ka na dito. Mode 5-1, dalawang equation, tapos dalawa na lang yung unknown. Okay, so punta tayo sa calculator. Mode 5-1. Dapat nakakaayos pa rin yung equation nyo. Equation nyo dapat, C plus F is equal to 100 minus 16. Then, 30C plus F is equal to 1,000 minus 50 times 60. Okay, kunin nyo ngayon yung value ng T at saka F nyo dyan. So, 1, 1, tapos 100 minus 16. Ganun rin sa kabila, 30, 1, 1,000 minus 50 times 60. Okay, equals, so x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 80. So, yung C ko daw dyan, number of clocks is 4 and number of flashlight is 80. Okay, na-try natin si A. Ganun rin kay B. At R is equal to 20. Doon sa ginawa nyo yung mode 5 to kanina, ang papalitan nyo lang yung nasa dulo. Okay, 100, magiging 100 minus 20 na siya. Imbis na 16. Tapos, yung sa baba naman, 1,000 minus 50 times 20. Palitan nyo lang yung 16 ng 20. Equals, then, press equals. So, ang makukuha ang value ng C mo is negative 80 over 29 at yung F mo will be 2,400 divided by 29. So, hindi na possible si letter B. Bakit? Kasi there's no such thing as a fraction of an item. Okay? Wala namang kalahating radyo. Tama? Wala rin namang 1/4 na radyo. So, hindi pwedeng may fraction. Okay? Letter C naman. At R is equal to 18. Palitan nyo lang ulit yung nasa dulo. 100 minus 18. Tapos, 1,000 minus 50 times 18 equals, so 18 over 29. So, mali na rin tong letter C. At saka, 2,360 over 20. 2,360 over 29. Okay, mali na rin si C. Last try natin si letter D. At R is equal to 24. Okay, palitan nyo lang yung nasa dulo. 100 minus 24. Tapos, 1,000 minus 50 times 24. So, negative 276 over 29. Then yung F ko, 2,480 over 20. Okay. So, ano lang yung possible answer natin dyan? Si letter A. Okay, kasi siya lang yung nagpalabas ng whole number. So, letter A is the final answer. Okay, paki-screenshot. Okay. Next item tayo. Number 43. In a certain community of 1,200 people, 60% are literate. Of the males, 50% are literate. And of the females, 70% are literate. What is the female population? So, mayroon ka daw total na 1,200 people. Okay? Yan yung maximum. O, yan yung number ng tao. Then, 60% daw sa 1,200 na yan ay literate. Ibig sabihin, nakakapagsulat. Okay? Ngayon, sa 60% literate na yan, itong 60% na yan, 50% are male and 70% are female. So, gaano naman daw karami yung female population? Okay? What is the female population? So, una, kunin natin yung total ng, gawa tayo ng equation. Okay, given nyo mo yan. Una, gawa tayo ng equation. Okay, ano yung pwedeng equation natin? Male at female lang. So, 1,200 yung total is equal to male plus female. Tama? Then, sa 1,200 na yan, mayroong 60% na literate. At sa 60% na yan, 50% lang ng lalaki ang literate plus 70% naman ang babae. Okay? So may dalawan tayong equations. Pwede ka nang mag-mode 5.1. Mode 5.1 to equations 2 and 2. So 1, 1,200, 0.5, 0.7, 1,200 times 0.6 equals, press equals. So, ang lalaki is 600 at ang babae naman is 600. Okay, so kalahati. So, ang final answer now will be letter B. Ayan. So, mayroong 600 na babae sa 1,200 na katao. Okay? Next item tayo, number 44. Paki-screenshot. Okay, 44. Tony went to a drugstore. He bought a bottle of aspirin and a bottle of Tylenol. The aspirin cost 1.25, okay, more than Tylenol. He also bought cologne, which cost twice as much as the total of the other two combined. How much did the Tylenol cost if his total bill without tax was 24.75? First step, mag-assume ka ng variable. Let T, number of Tylenol. Then, aspirin naman is letter A. At C, yung cologne. Then, next step, gawa ka ng equation. So, ano yung pwede natin gawin? The aspirin costs 1.25 more than Tylenol. So, ano yung aspirin daw is mas taas 1.25 kaysa sa Tylenol. Okay, that's your first equation. Second equation natin. He also bought cologne which cost twice as much as the total of the other two combined. So, bumili din daw siya ng cologne na twice as much o doble ng presyo ng dalawang alcohol, aspirin at saka Tylenol. And yung last na equation natin, yung total bill niya na 24.75. So, gawa ka lang A plus C plus T is equal to 24.75. So, may equation ka na. 3 equations, 3 unknowns. So, punta ka na ngayon kay mode 5.2. 3 equations, 3 unknowns. Ayusin mo lang. A is equal to T plus 1.25. A minus T is equal to 1.25. Then, T is equal to 2 times A plus T. That will be 2A minus C plus 2T is equal to 0. Yung last, nakaayos na siya. A plus C plus T is equal to 24.70. So, gawa ka ngayon ng equation sa mode 5.2. So, X, Y, Z, tapos yung constant. Nilalagay mo, this is 1, negative 1, 0, mali, baliktad. C pala yung Z, Y. 0, negative 1, tapos 1.25. Okay, then sa pangalawang equations, 2, negative 1, 2, tapos 0. Then 1, 1, 1, tapos 24.75. Parang ganyan yung input nyo sa calculator nyo. Mode 5, 2. So 1, okay, iba natin yung calculator. 1, 0, negative 1, and 1.25, 2, negative 1, 2, 0, 1, 1, 1, tapos 24.75. Okay, then press equals. Makukuha natin ngayon yung value ng A, C, at saka T. Bilhin natin itong calculate. A now will become 19 over 4, or that is 4.75. C now is equal to 33 over 2, or 16.5. And T now is equal to 7 over 2, or that is 3.5. So that, ano yung hinahanap? Presyo ng Tylenol. So, ano yung final answer natin? That will be 3.5. Letter B. And so, paki-screenshot. Okay, then next item tayo, 45. Nita has a total of 40 pesos. If she has one more 5 peso bill than 10 peso bill, and two more 1 peso bill than 5 peso bill, how many 10 peso bill does she have? So, first step, gawa ka ng variables. O, let mo na O yung 1 peso. F, the 5 peso bill. And T, the 10 peso bill. Okay? Let mo yan. Then next step, gawa ka ng equation. Sabi niya dyan, yung total na pera daw niya is 40 pesos. Ngayon, hindi mo alam kung ilang 1 peso, ilang 5 at ilang 10. Pero alam natin yung presyo ng isang 1 peso bill. Okay, 1 peso bill, magkano ang price? Piso. So, 1 times 1 yan. Plus, 5 peso bill, magkano ang price? Ng isang bill na 5 pesos, syempre 5. Tapos, kung ilang 5 peso bill. Plus, 10 peso bill, magkano ang price? That is 10 peso bill. So, 10 pesos siya. At ilang 10 peso bill, hindi rin natin alam. At ang total ngayon, pag pinagsama mo, 40 pesos. Okay? The next statement tayo. If she has one more 5 peso bill than 10 peso bill, so sabi niya dyan, si 5 peso bill daw, mas marami ng isa kaysa kay 10 peso bill. So, equation natin dyan will be F now is equal to T plus 1. Okay? The next statement, 2 more 1 peso bill than 5 peso bill. Ibig sabihin yan, si 1 peso bill daw, mas marami ng dalawa kaysa kay 5 peso bill. Okay, so may equations na tayo. 3 equations, 3 unknown. So, anong next step natin? Pwede ka nang mode 5. Pwede ka nang mode 5, 2. Tama? Mode 5, 2. 3 equations, 3 unknown. So, mode 5, 2. Input mo yung equations natin. Ayusin muna natin bago natin input. 0 minus 5f, 0 plus 5f ay O plus 5f plus 10t is equal to 40. Nakaayos na yan. F is equal to t plus 1. Ayusin mo yan. Magiging f minus t is equal to 1. Then O is equal to f plus 2. Ayusin mo yan. Will become O minus f is equal to 2. Okay, yung input natin sa calculator ngayon, ganito. This is 1. This is 5, 10, 40. This is 0, 1, negative 1, 1. 1, negative 1, 0, 2. Okay, yan yung input natin sa calculator. 1, 5, 10, 40. 0, 1, negative 1, 1, 1, negative 1, 0, 2. Press equal. So, ang 1 peso bill mo, mayroon kang 5. Ang 5 peso bill mo, mayroon kang 3. At ang 10 peso bill mo, mayroon kang 2. Ano yung hinahanap? 10 peso bill. 10 peso bill now, mayroon kang 2. So, that will be your final. Letter T. Okay, 46 tayo. A bookstore purchased a best-selling book at 200 pesos per copy. At what price should this book be sold so that giving a 20% discount can keep the profit is 30%. So sabi niya dyan, magbibigay siya ng discount pero kikita pa rin siya ng 30%. So wise, tama? So paano natin yun gagawin? May formula po tayo pag ganyan. Okay? P new o yung bagong price mo times yung discount na ibibigay mo o 1 minus yung discount na ibibigay mo is equal to yung old price mo times yung kikitain mo. Okay? Profit. Okay? This is your profit. This is your discount. Okay, yan yung formula natin. So, ang original price natin dyan is the 200 pesos. So, ang hinahanap, si P new. Substitute mo yung given, P new times 1 minus 20% is equal to P old mo, 200 times 1 plus 30%. So, P new now is equal to ilan? Old 1, 200 times 1.3 divided by 1 minus 0.2. Final answer, 325 pesos. That will be your new price, letter C. So, formula-based lang siya. Okay, 47. Screenshot na lang. 47. Store advertises a 20% off sale. If an article is marked for the sale of 24.48, what is the original price? So, mayroon daw sale sa isang tindahan. Ngayon ang sale niya o yung discount niya is 20%. Okay, ngayon yung new price niya daw is $24.48. Hanapin mo daw yung old price. So, P old now, pag discount lang ang binigay, is equal to, ano yan? P new, P old times 1 minus discount is equal to P. Yeah. So, P old mo, that is hinahanap. So, P old, palitan natin. Times 1 minus 20% is equal to 24.40. Solve natin, P old now is equal to ilan? 24.48 divided by 1 minus 0.2. That is $30.6. So, yan yung old price bago magkaroon ng sale natin. Isang store. Okay, screenshot. Okay, next item tayo, number 48. Age problem. The sum of Kim's and Calvin's age is 18. In 3 years X, Kim will be twice as old as Kevin. What are their ages? Okay? So first step, gawa tayo ng variable. Let X age of Kevin, Kim, present age yan, Y age of Kelvin. Okay, the next step, gawa tayo ng variable, ay ng equation. The sum of Kim's and Kevin's age is 18. So, X plus Y is equal to 18. Ngayon, sa age problem, mayroon kayong tinatawag na present age. Tama? Mayroon kayong tinatawag na present age. Yan yung normal. Mayroon ka rin yung tinatawag na past at saka yung future age. Okay? Ngayon sa past, kadalasan magiging past siya kung may nakita kang was, where, ano yan. Future naman, yung will, yung mga yan. Will be, or in the future, mga ganon. Okay? At pag ganyan yan, ma-equals yung ibig sabihin. Okay, basta past, naka-past tense, future, naka-future tense. Okay, in, yan pa. In 3 years, ayan. So ito, in 3 years, that will be your future age. So ilan yung future age at 3 years? Si Kim, magiging x plus 3. At si Kelvin, magiging 1 plus 3. So in 3 years daw, Kim will be twice as old as Kelvin. So x plus 3 is equal to twice as old as Kelvin. So y plus 3. Yan. Yan yung isang equation natin. Ayusin mo lang yan, mayroon ka ng 2 equations to undo. So ayusin natin to. X plus 3 is equal to 2y plus 6. Therefore, x minus 2y now is equal to 6 minus 3, or that is equal to 3. Okay, then next step, pwede ka nang mag 2 equations to unknown, mode 5, 1. Click ka lang sa calculator, mode 5, 1. Okay, so 1, 1, 18, 1, negative 2, and equals. So, ang present age ngayon ni Kim ay 18. Yung kay Kelvin naman, yung present age niya is 5. Final answer natin will be that. Screenshot lang. Okay, then 49 tayo. Mrs. Smith is twice as old as her daughter, Sam. 10 years ago, the sum of their ages was 46 years old. How old is Sam? Okay, so first step, mag-let tayo ng variable. Let natin na si M, si Mrs. Smith. And S, si Sam. Or di na lang, daughter. Daughter, Sam. Okay? Sabi niya dyan, Mrs. Smith is twice as old as her daughter. So, yun yung first equation natin. Mrs. Smith is, pag may nakita kang is, equal kagad yan. Twice as old as her daughter. Okay? 10 years ago, pag may nakita kayong ago, ano yan? That is past age. So, minus. So, 10 years ago, the sum of their ages was 46. So, ilan ba yung 10 years ago ng kay Mrs. Smith? That will be M minus 10. Plus D minus 10. Yan naman yung 10 years ago na age ng kanyang daughter. Ang sum down nila nun is 46. So, ilang taon na daw ngayon si Sam? Okay, so may 2 equations to unknown ka na. Pwede ka nang mag-mode 5-1. Ayusin mo lang yung iyong equation. So, ayusin lang yung equation. M minus 2D is equal to 0. M plus D is equal to 46 plus 10 plus 10. Or that is M plus D is equal to 66. Pwede ka na mag 2 equations to unknown. A, B, C. This is 1, negative 2, and 0. 1, 1, and 66. So, ilan ngayon yung makukuha natin? Sagot. So, calculator, mode 5-1. So, 1, negative 2, 0, 1, 1. So, si Mrs. Smith, ang age niya ngayon is 44. And yung kay daughter naman is 22. Ito nang hinahanap, yung daughter. So, final answer will be 22. Letter D. Yan. Okay, screenshot.